Here's the full picture. This year, the pandemic widened the disconnect between Wall Street and Main Street. After a sharp drop in February and March, stocks began inching back up again. But Main Street remains hurting. By April, 46 states had shuttered non-essential businesses. The market continued climbing, erasing its 2020 losses on July 20th. And the next day, the Census Bureau reported almost 30 million Americans said they didn't have enough to eat the previous week. Today, markets closed at a record high, the S&P gaining 16% for the year. Today, almost 11 million Americans are unemployed, many of them from small businesses. CNBC's Kate Rogers is live in San Francisco now with a look at how millions of small businesses are on the brink of failure. Kate?
Contessa, that's right. This year has been an extraordinarily challenging one for Main Street businesses due to the pandemic. Census data project there are about 32 million small businesses in this country. 6 million of them are employer firms. The rest are solopreneurs, meaning they may have a side gig or small business in addition to their full-time job. Using that figure, tracktherecovery.org projects that as of December 9th, the number of open businesses in the U.S. fell by 29%, meaning more than 8 million closed to end the year, and more than 1 million of them were businesses that have employees. That staggering figure has actually improved from its March 30th high of 50%. It remains to be seen how many reopen and how many of those closures become permanent. Revenues are also down 32% from the beginning of the year, but there is a bright spot in new business starts via employment identification numbers, up 40% for the year.
There's still that American entrepreneurism that is still alive and well, and perhaps looking, to start something after we're dealing with this pandemic. When we get the vaccines and everything, that they're still looking down the road saying, yeah, I'm going to either get back into being an entrepreneur, or maybe that's something I'm looking to try since I've, changed my work environment a lot.
The road to recovery will be very long, but there is some optimism there in entrepreneurs willing to take on a new venture in this very challenging environment.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.